Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn how to test the webhooks on our local host. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to install the ngrok that will provide you the web URL that can be used in the webhooks. So first of all, go with the npm install global ngrok, which is I have done this one. After this, you have to go and add a auth token. So you have to create your token from your dashboard ngrok. So this is my auth token. Copy this and I will show you the commands. Currently you can see that my URL is this one, okay, which is exposed to that 3000 localhost. Okay, if I go with the new terminal, the previous one, so here you can see that we have a steps. Okay, so here you can see, I will show you. First I will go first I will go with this one, global installation. Just hold on. Here you will find it, the commands. Okay, so here we go with ngrok. So first of all, global install, then you have to expose with ngrok http 3000, and if it requires for the auth token, so you have to just add this command, or you will go with directly here site. I need to go with the site also, ngrok. Okay, go there, or directly you can, let me go with this one, downloads, and go with the Linux, and you can directly use and choose any of the commands over here, and you can also do with this one and then expose the port also. Okay, but I have some issues with that, so I need to use the authentication token also. So ngrok config add token, so the token would be this one, your authentication token. So sign up and just copy this token and paste it token instead of token here, and then run, then expose this port with this. Okay, so whatever port you want to expose, ngrok http 3000 4000, whatever port it is, then it will give you the URL like this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to use this one. Otherwise I'm going to open this link, it will give me connection disconnected. Let me check. It is not running. Just run node stripe.js. Okay, listening to the port right now, and now cannot get, means server is running. Okay, let's go to the stripe, go to our developers. We have webhooks, so we can use any kind of webhook over here or add an endpoint. Okay, so let's create an endpoint over there. Endpoint would be this one, our URL, and this is your rest. You have to add the endpoint, so the endpoint would be webhook. Okay, so let's add the webhook over there. Any event you can go with, which event I'm using, that is, so this is the payment intent, payments. Okay, so let's go with the payments. Events you have to select, so I'm going to use any of the events that is payment related. Payment intent. Okay, so let's select all the things, add events, and let's try to go with this one. So let's see, everything is there, payment intent is there. So we are using, let me check the payment intent success, payment method attached, both methods are there. Payment intent success, succeed. Okay, so we will use that one. Okay, let's try to save this events and add the endpoint. Okay, so now we are going to use our webhook. Okay, so let, no events is there, so let's try to go with the payments. Let's go to the transactions. So we will use any of the customers and let's create the payments, or we will use this one because it come with the payments only. Payment links. Add a t-shirt. Okay, let's save this. Create a link. So I get the link for that one. Let's go and just check. So let's copy this and run. Let's see the, because if any payment is done, that will come over here. Let's check add with the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 month. This series C, a number, pay, any hook is completed over here. Now here you can see webhook signature verification failed, no signatures found matching the expected signature for payload or passing the raw request body or receipt from the stripe. So that means hook is working. Okay, so signature is failed, right? So that means whatever we have put the URL, that's working as per Indian rules and regulation. Registered Indian business can go with, let's go with the US, United States. It is worked. What a zip. So this is basically for the Indian card issue, I think. Otherwise our webhooks are working fine. Webhooks are integrating, only the verification part is there. Are you passing the raw request body from the stripe? If I just go and just add it over here, you can see webhook signature failed. It's coming webhook signature verification is failed, right? That means the hooks are working fine, that means integration is working fine. That's my main motive. Okay, so this is how you can just integrate or convert your local host into your web URL, and you can use the any webhooks and you can test the system into your local machine. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.